On this small little card, Batos remote tester. It's used to test a different type of remote controls for house alarms, for business alarms, shop alarms, anyway, where security is basically involved, and also for operating a lot of different sort of appliances at home. Now, sometimes you don't know whether the LED comes on the remote when you press, but you don't know if it's sending the signal and the code and things like that. With this, you'll be able to 1, 2, 3, be able to test it. If the LED, when you put the remote over here, LED comes on, that means code is number 1. Okay, sorry, my hands are all sort of mushy and dirty and whatever, but nonetheless, I've been working very hard. Okay, so I'm making a quick movie as I finished, the unit. Okay, so now how does it operate? Okay, you require, for the electronics that's inside, and there's a transponder right in the center over there, where you're going to position a remote. You require some kind of a power. So I'm using a PP3 9-volt battery, and I'm using operating camera, all right. So it will last for a very long time, nonetheless. Okay. Now, what frequencies are these remote controls? Oh, well, the frequencies allocated worldwide, basically for European, African countries, and except most of the countries of the world, but except even there, they're actually starting to put a foothold in America. And the frequencies for this type of remotes applications, they operate from 433.5 to 434.79 megahertz. Nonetheless, this little card, I have made it but more versatile, from 380 megahertz up to 435 megahertz. You'll be able to measure the remotes. So now let's take a remote control, we position it over there, battery is connected, I got a spectrum analyzer over here and a portable, and on there we can actually see at what frequency this particular remote transmits. If the LED comes on, when I press the button, watch it there, it came on. But watch now how sensitive it is when you shift it. So you have to play around in order to get the sort of the transmitting antenna from any remote right in the center over there. Now, the reason why the transponder is so sensitive is because we want to measure the frequency of the device that we put here, not the straight frequencies that are around. So it's a very, very near field sort of transponder that measures only the field coming from the bottom of the casing or top of the casing or side of the casing, like you can actually see it over there. You can see it, I'm holding it. Okay, but it has to be somewhere very, so you have to play around. Let me do it again. Can you see? Nothing. Can you see it over here now? Okay. So this one here, let's press it again. All the buttons, yes, sending the code. Now let's see what the frequency is over here. Now over here, if you zoom onto the video, you'll see 433.732 megahertz. So that means this remote is 100%. Of course, I can test each button to see if it's sending the code and if it's operational. But nonetheless, it is operational. Okay. Let's try this one here. I already got the power supply connected. And let's position it and let's press the button. Okay. Okay, can you see it? Okay, the battery is but flat. Okay. Okay, this battery is not making a good connection. Okay, you can see it, it's coming on. Okay, which means this remote control is 100%. Okay, now this connector is been giving me a hassle on the battery, but nonetheless. Okay, let's measure again and see what the frequency is. Okay? And that is, if you zoom 424, exactly 424,012 megahertz. That is the actual frequency. You see when I position it right on the transponder, how bright the LED. As you further go, it gets dimmer and dimmer. Okay, no problem. Now, the third one, I already sort of put the wires outside, so I'm just using external power supply. I'm just going to connect it up and then put the remote over there, and you can actually see. You can see, okay? It's picking it up. Now look at it there when I shift, okay? So this remote, 100% sending the code. That's what the LED actually represents. Now this particular one transmits on 403, if you look at it on a spectrum, 075. 403 megahertz, 075 megahertz altogether. So in a nutshell, basically, very simple to use. Let me switch off because this thing keeps on transmitting and you pick it up on the spectrums. Now it will die. It takes a few seconds to settle. Very easy to apply and to use. And because sometimes you don't know if your house alarm or shop alarm or wherever it's transmitting or the battery is okay or not okay. Where now, at the touch of a button, I'm just playing around with this one here again. You can see it, just disconnect on this battery. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so in a nutshell, basically that's what we started making. And of course over here there's a hole for your keyring and very robust, and you can drop it. It's basically unbreakable. Of course, nothing is unbreakable, but you know what I'm getting at. So yeah, till the next sort of project, I say thank you for watching.